Mm-hmm. So everybody today will do this split, and how to do it I will show you now some exercise which help you to do that. So let's start. First exercise we will warm up our legs. So takes two legs together, takes more for yourself, open, close, back, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Little bit stretch behind, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, let's sit and starting working. Take push leg on ourselves, slowly open, back, close. 8, 2, 3, 4, and change on another leg. So repeat. Take stretch leg on ourselves, open our hip, close, relax. 2, 3, 4, and try takes two legs. So take on ourselves and slowly opening and sit. So take two legs together, relax and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe and takes me like. So bye bye.